right now. So based from my research, it's read as Buerer Beauty. So I have this IPL long-lasting hair reduction. So before, pumupunta ako sa clinic to do my laser, but it's kind of expensive for per session. I did it for my underarms and then for my mustache. So my problem now is ang aking bigote, because I don't know, maybe because meron akong mga bigote dito, mga buhok-buhok sa aking upper lip. So that's why I decided to purchase this one because nakalagay dito sa likod ang skin color. Okay, wait. Yan. Skin color. Skin tone suitability for treatment. Yan, it is suitable pag ganito yung skin color mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you are kind of dark skin, it may not be effective. IPL Pure Skin Pro works best on dark hair or hair that contains more melanin. Brown and light brown hair will respond, but typically will require more treatment sessions. Red hair may show some response. White, gray, or blonde hair shows a more limited response. Nevertheless, some users have noted hair reduction after multiple treatment sessions. So for me, I think it's fine because I have dark hair. And my skin color, I think nasa number 3 ako.
I'm so excited to try this one.
Okay, let's start our unboxing for Buerer Beauty IPL. Medyo nag-struggle. Oh, wow! So, ito yung makikita ninyo. So, first opening. Yan, about it. So, let's start! Oh my gosh, I need to be careful. So, meron siyang leaflets, instructions. This is written in English and the other one is in Arabic because I bought it here in Saudi Arabia from Extra. I got it with 40%. It was 600 something and I got it the price of 400 plus. So it's worth it then to have a session for several times tapos isang part lang. So imagine sa mustache, on sale na yun ha, it's 99 riyals per session. So 99 times 12, so magkano na yun per session. So mga ilang session ko kailangan yun. So it's worth it kasi magagamit ko pa siya sa aking body after mustache. But I'm planning for hygienic purpose, like I will finish my mustache session like totally clear na siya before ko siya gagamitin sa body. Okay, so this is yeah, it is the one. Ito yung laser niya. Kasi ito nakikita ko sa nung nagpa-session ako. Yan, igaganon mo siya. Before, yeah, it hurts. My most hated part sa laser session ko sa clinic is the upper lip. Talagang hindi ko matotolerate yung ang sakit talaga. Parang yung lastik ko na. But let's see, later we will try this one. So, 1, and of course, the adapter. Yan. Gano'n siyang kalaki, ganito. Yan. Super handy lang siya. So, ito yung on and off. So, that's it. So, dalawa lang talaga siya. So, this one, simple. Ito, tapos ikakabit niya siya like this here. And you're good to go. Well, thank you so much. That is our unboxing for our IPL. I'm so happy. So in our next video, we will try it first on my face part. Okay, thank you so much for spending your time with me. God bless. Bye-bye.